Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for our phonics lesson for this week. Our learning target for this week is I can recognize and produce rhyming words. So we're going to go back and talk about rhyming words. We talked about rhyming words at the beginning of this year, and your teacher has also gone through rhyming words when shared reading or reading aloud. Now we're going to review rhyming words. So what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. So, for example, hat rhymes with bat, tag rhymes with bag, hot rhymes with pot, and red rhymes with bed. Do you see how all these words, they may have the first letter, may look different, but the ending of the words have the same sound? So, hat, bat. They both had the same ending sound. Tag and bag had the same ending sound. Hot and pot had the same ending sound. And red and bed had the same ending sound. So now I kind of already started our word splash. So the word splash, I'm thinking about words that rhyme with dog. So in our word dog, the letter D is the onset or the first letter, beginning letter of our word dog. And our rhyme is og, which is the ending sound of our word dog. So these words rhyme with dog. Dog, jog, dog, frog, dog, hog. Do you see how all these words rhyme? Awesome. Now we're going to read this poem, My Dog. I want you to listen to me read our poem and look for rhyming words because I have an assignment for you at the end. Okay, my dog can jog to a hog on a log in the fog. Do you see or hear any rhyming words? I'm going to read it one more time. My dog can jog to a hog on a log in the fog. Your assignment today, boys and girls, is to write the rhyming words in our poem. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a great day.